Now, staying with the state of Karnataka, a decision of increasing the tax on diesel and petrol by the state government is pinching the citizens of the state. Now, days after Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah held a meeting with various revenue-generating departments, the Congress government issued a notification hiking the sales tax on petrol and diesel in the state. As a result, petrol and diesel prices have become costlier by 3 rupees and 3.2 rupees. Karnataka, the leader of opposition, R. Ashoka, and the BJP is now holding a massive protest today in the Freedom Park in Bengaluru against the fuel price hike. Bharatiya Janata Party slammed the Siddaramaiah government, alleging that the Congress government in the Karnataka state looted the people and they were only taking revenge against the people of the state after they lost the Lok Sabha elections. Chief Minister Siddaramaiah is defending the fuel price hike, saying despite the taxes were low compared to other southern states. Even in the state of Maharashtra, the prices are more than the state of Karnataka, is what the Chief Minister is saying. He's also alleging when the BJP was in power, the VAT was reduced, but the centre increased the taxes thereafter, thereby cheating the people of the state of Karnataka.
ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಪ್ರಜಾಪ್ರಭುತ್ವದಲ್ಲಿ ಸೋಲು ಗೆಲುವುಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಇರ್ತವೆ.
₹3 ಒಂದೇ ಸರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲೂಟಿ ಮಾಡುವಂತ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಯನ್ನ ಇವತ್ತು ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ಈ ತರ ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯನವರು ಈ ತರ ಒಂದು ದ್ವೇಷದ ರಾಜಕಾರಣ, ಪ್ರಜಾಪ್ರಭುತ್ವದಲ್ಲಿ ಮತದಾರ ಏನಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವನು ಜನತಾ ಜನಾರ್ದನ, ಅವನು ದೇವರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಮತದಾರರನ್ನ ಮತದಾನ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ದಾನ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರು ದಾನ ಕೊಡೋದು, ನಮಗೆ ದಾನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ದ್ವೇಷ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ನಾಚಿ ಆಗಲ್ವಾ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ?
It is heavy burden on the people of Karnataka, number one. Number two, when Siddaramaiah was in opposition leader, our government has raised 1 rupee on petrol. How you reacted? And he protested like anything. And he took a scooter on his shoulder to show this is a anti-people's government. And he uttered many other language. Mana Maryade Idiya, like that. It is a shameless government, he told. Now, what people will tell him?
My colleague Anika is with me on the story. Anika, we can understand that it is the BJP that is now hitting the streets across the state to protest against the Congress government.
Well, Aishwarya, a protest has been organized by the BJP at 11 o'clock in Freedom Park. So all the bigwigs of the BJP state unit in Karnataka are going to be there in the protest, starting from the state president, B.Y. Vijendra, and leader of opposition, R. Ashok, and all the Bangalore MLAs and MLCs. They're all going to be in Freedom Park protesting against this fuel price hike. They are saying that you either revoke this price rise or will not stop protesting. And also they're alleging that Congress has deliberately increased the fuel prices by 3 rupees to fill their empty coffers that has been emptied thanks to the 5 guarantees. That's the allegation coming in by the BJP. And they're stating that until they revoke this and they roll this back, we are not going to keep quiet, because on one hand, they are giving us the 5 guarantees, but on the other hand, they're taking everything that they're giving us by the price rise in petrol and diesel. So that's the allegation coming in by BJP. And they are going to protest today in Bengaluru Freedom Park at 11 o'clock.
Thank you, Anika, for giving us all those details. At about 11 o'clock, Karnataka, the city of Bengaluru, will see a protest by the Bharatiya Janata Party.